If the magnitude of the charge of proton and electron in hydrogen atom were doubled, the energy emitted in the transition from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1 would change by a factor of. Now in this question, first of all, we have to find out the expression of energy because charges are getting doubled, right? So first of all, let us have the nucleus. This is the nucleus which consists of charge 2e, because they are saying that proton and electrons charges are doubled, so this will have electron minus 2e, correct? So we know that the expression of energy is equal to minus k into E square upon R, so 2R. So in any state, energy is going to be, say this is E is equal to 2R, correct? Now when charges of electron and proton are doubled, right, that means I can write q1 is equal to 2e, q2 is equal to minus 2e. So now I can write total energy right, total energy is equal to, that is going to be in that orbit is going to be k into q1 q2 by r, ठीक है? So this will be E is equal to k into q, which is 2e minus 2e divided by r, so which is E is equal to, so let's say this is E dash, so E dash is equal to, this will be minus 4k E square by r, which is minus 4 into E or plus 4e, because E is equal to minus k square upon Rn. That means what do I get? I get that energy will be 4 times, energy will be 4 times in any orbit if that happens. That means I know that change in energy in case number 1, delta is equal to, so I can write minus k E square upon 2, one mistake I have done, this will be 2r, so this will be 2r, and in fact this is actually minus k square upon 2r, so this term will give you E, so E dash is equal to 4e. Yeah, so that is fine. So if you put this value, so let's say transition is happening from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1, that means I can write r2 minus k square upon 2r1, perfect. Now I know that, what do I know? That energies is equal to, will be, this relation can be written as minus 13.6 upon n1 is n2 square minus 13.6, so plus 13.6 upon n1 square, so both are in the same format, so in electron volts. So this is going to be minus 13.6 is common, 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon 1 square electron volts, or it can be written as 13.6 1 minus 1 upon 4, so which will be 13.6 into 3 by 4 electron volts. So that will be the energy if you come normally from 2 to 1. Now for as we know that energy is going to be 4 times, so basically E dash is equal to, we know that 4e, which is 4 into 13.6 upon n square, correct? So from there I can write delta E dash is equal to E2 dash minus E1 dash, and if you substitute the values, you get 4 into 13.6 divided by 1 square minus 4 into 13.6 divided by 4, correct? if you solve it now, what do you get on solving? You can take common, so delta E dash is equal to, you can take common 4 into 13.6, this will be 1 minus 1 upon 4, so simply this will be 4 into 13.6 into 3 by 4. So now we need the ratio to get the factors. So ratio delta E dash divided by delta E is equal to 4 into 13.6 into 3 by 4 divided by, this is in electron volts, right? So this is also in electron volts, 13.6 upon 3 by 4. What do I observe? 3 by 4 is cancelled out, so this is going to be 4 times of delta E for the same radiation. Okay, so which option has to be the right choice? Obviously option number 2 is the only choice.